Ever filtered your Excel data, only to realize the count still includes hidden rows? Frustrating, right? Today, I'll show you the right way to count only the visible, filtered rows using one powerful Excel formula. It's fast, easy, and a game changer for anyone working on reports, summaries, or dashboards. Let's get started. Let's start by applying a filter to your data. First, select your dataset or click anywhere in your data. Then, head over to the Data tab and click on Filter. Want to move faster? Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. That's the shortcut to apply filters instantly. Now, here's where the real magic happens. In a blank cell, type this formula. What does it do? The subtotal function with code 103 counts only the visible, non-blank cells in a filtered range. In our case, it's looking at column B, which contains the region values. Hit Enter and let's test it out. Go ahead and filter the data by region. Let's say we only want to view the rows for West. Immediately, the formula updates, and instead of counting all 9 rows, it shows just 3. Because only 3 rows are visible. Now watch this. If we hide one of those rows manually, the count drops to 2. Because subtotal ignores hidden rows too. That's the power of dynamic counting. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. If you want to sum the visible values instead of just counting them, simply change 103 to 109 in the subtotal function. Like this. This version calculates the total of only the visible sales values in column C, automatically ignoring any hidden or filtered out rows. Finally, press Enter, and you've got a clean, accurate total that updates instantly with your filters. It's the perfect formula for creating dynamic, real-time reports. And that's how you accurately count filtered data in Excel, the right way. It's a simple technique, but incredibly powerful when it comes to real-world reporting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.